Air conditioners work by cooling and dehumidifying the air, which creates condensation. This water collects in a drain pan inside the unit and flows outside through a PVC pipe. The water collects in a drain pan and exits through a PVC pipe that routes it outside. For proper drainage, the pipe needs at least a 1/4 inch drop per foot to ensure gravity flow. The most common cause is a clogged drain pipe. Algae, debris, and mold can build up inside, blocking the flow and causing water to back up into the room. A kinked pipe or one without the proper slope can prevent water from flowing downhill, leading to backflow. In older units or multi-unit dwellings, the drain pan itself may crack or corrode, allowing water to leak out. Newer Carrier models, such as the Infinity 26 air handler, include drain pan sensors that can alert you via app notifications to potential clogs, helping prevent leaks. Ignoring the leak can lead to water damage inside your home, mold growth, and reduced efficiency of your air conditioning system, so address it promptly. First, ensure safety by turning off your AC unit. Then, locate the drain pipe, which is typically a PVC pipe near the indoor unit. Next, use a wet-dry vacuum to remove any visible blockage from the drain pipe opening. Alternatively, flush the drain line with a mixture of water and vinegar to break down algae and other organic buildup. For more persistent blockages, use a plumber's snake to mechanically clear the clog from inside the pipe. Ensure the drain pipe maintains a proper slope of at least 1/4 inch drop per foot to allow gravity to assist water flow. If the pipe is kinked or damaged, replace it with flexible tubing to restore proper drainage. In locations like basements where gravity drainage isn't possible, install a condensate pump to actively move water away. To prevent future issues, add antimicrobial tablets to the drain pan and schedule regular annual maintenance for your AC unit. Some newer Carrier models feature self-cleaning drain lines and built-in traps to minimize clogs. If you're not comfortable performing these repairs yourself, it's best to contact a qualified HVC technician.